Oh Lord, this is beautiful. This is very, very beautiful.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make carrot oil for skin lightening in the comfort of your home. Here are the carrots I'll be using today. They haven't been washed, so I'll just take them to the sink and wash them. So here are my already washed carrots. The next step is to scrape the outer layer of the carrots to remove the dirt that might have been stuck to the carrots. So sorry, the lighting in my kitchen is quite poor, please bear with me. So after scraping the carrots, I'm going to wash them and dry them with a paper towel to remove excess water. So here are my freshly washed and dried carrots. The next thing I'm going to do is to grate the carrot with the help of a hand grater. But in the meantime, I will just run through the benefits of carrots. Carrots contains beta carotene, which helps to improve the complexion. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. If you have a very dry skin, carrot oil is an excellent moisturizer for dry skin. Carrot oil also lightens the skin when used over time. Carrot oil helps to heal damaged skin, and carrot oil is also good for hair growth. Carrot on its own does not have oil, so in order to get the oil out of it, we have to infuse it with another oil. So we'll be using the extra virgin organic olive oil today to infuse our carrot. So first of all, you need a clean pan, but you have to make sure that you are using a very low heat. You have to reduce your cooker to the minimum, because if the heat is too much, it will destroy the vital nutrients you're supposed to get from the carrot. So I'm going to put my pan on the fire and pour in the olive oil into the pan. Not too much oil, just enough to cover the carrot should be fine. So we're going to let this oil to heat for about 5 minutes. Then the next step is to pour in our already grated carrot into the warm oil and spread the carrot across the pan so that the carrot is able to absorb the oil. So I'm going to let this sit for 30 to 45 minutes and I'll be back. As you can see, the carrot is not frying. If you use too much heat, the carrot will fry and lose all its nutrients. So it's been 45 minutes since I let the oil to infuse. As you can see, at the point where the oil begins to turn to golden yellow, our carrot oil is ready. So I'll let it cool down for 15 to 20 minutes before transferring it into a clean jar. So with the help of a sieve, I will just separate the carrot from the oil. So here is our carrot oil. Very beautiful, very beautiful. So the next step is to transfer the oil into a container or into a bottle. Our carrot oil is ready to use. This oil should last up to 6 months before it begins to go rancid. You know, it's a natural product, it has no preservative. However, if you wish to preserve or prolong the lifespan of this oil, all you need to do is add about 2 to 3 soft gels of vitamin E into it. Vitamin E is an antioxidant and it also helps to prolong the shelf life of this oil. This is a very easy oil to make. Almost everything you need is in your kitchen. So after shower, you just apply a few drops on your skin and massage it into your skin. Oh Lord, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So you can try this out and let me know how it goes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now by clicking on the red button below. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.